Can we set Spotify song as a ringtone? Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to learn if we can do that or not. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, you may open up the Spotify application, and then once you open up Spotify, you may go ahead and locate up the music or the song that you would like to set up as a ringtone. So what you can do is simply use the search bar in order to search for the song, or you can directly go ahead and use your library and play one of the songs from your playlist. For now, I am playing this song right here. So in order to set it up as a ringtone, once you go ahead and tap on the song, you should be finding this interface. So from the given interface at the very top of your screen, you should be finding a three dot. You can go ahead and tap on it. And once you go ahead and tap on it, it gives us a menu. So if you're looking for a ringtone option, unfortunately, Spotify does not provide us with a ringtone option, as Spotify's copyright issue, the DRM issue, management issue, does not allow us to set it as ringtone because they have some terms and policies given. So even if your song is, if you have premium version of you, or if you've downloaded the song already, you cannot directly set it as a ringtone through the Spotify application itself. So what you can do instead is you can use this option in order to set it as a sleep timer instead. So for that, click on the three dot at the top, and once you click on it, you will have an option of sleep timer, which is right under share. Just go ahead and tap on it, and then once you go ahead and tap on it, you can set up like it as a sleep timer. So if you want it for 5 minutes, you can select 5 minutes. Otherwise, we can even select it at the end of track and select it as our sleep timer. So that is it for now. You may follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.